this is one of EPTechnologies' solid-state batteries. They also have DNV-approved high-voltage batteries with cooling systems as well, a full range of motors and a full system provider. But what they've been working on today is this box here called the ReXo. I'm going to speak with Casper, who's going to tell me what this is. Casper's the CEO and co-owner. Hello, mate.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again. Tell me about this. This is the ReXo, and what I know is that full system providers often have lots of cables and wires, and I know you've been working on this. Can you tell me what makes this special?
Yeah, we have developed a small box. The name is ReXo, and on this ReXo we have a small computer inside. This computer manages the whole system, so that means we can put the display on, we can put the charger on, the DC-DC, the motor system on, the battery on, over the pack controller.
So just to get this into my brain here so I can understand, this is one of your solid state technology batteries. The data cable from this battery goes into the pack control.
Yes.
And you can run how many of these batteries?
14 batteries.
14, and what size are these batteries?
16 kilowatt hour.
Wow, that's a lot of power.
The new one. The old one was 14 kilowatt hour, but now we go up in the new cell, so we get on 16 kilowatt hour.
So with 16 kilowatt hour batteries, we can put 14 of these into a pack control, and then that runs up into this system here.
Then the pack controller talk directly with the ReXo box.
Yeah.
And the ReXo box talking to the boat control, and over the boat control we have a full app, full control over the whole boat.
So this boat control is basically a digitally switched system. Is that right? So this is digital switching. So this allows you to even switch on your housing lights, your radar, your navigation systems, anything on the boat you can control with this through your mobile phone.
Yeah.
Right.
And you can see the whole system. So you can see all what's happened in the ReXo box.
I'm just following this round as we go. So now we've got the fusing system down here to the house bank. This is a charger, I presume?
That is the DC-DC from 48 volt to the 12 volt battery.
Right, okay.
So charge the 12 volt battery, and that's the charger from land shop.
So we have LAN charger, we have DC-DC, we have B&G interface. So this is the NMEA.
Yeah, that's NMEA.
And we have your throttle on here.
Yeah.
So effectively what you're telling me is this box is basically a plug and play system, so we don't have any loose wires, cable ends or anything like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So more or less a private person can put that system together.
That's handy. So this is designed to help boat builders do things quicker, I gather.
Yeah.
Save them time, save them money, but also help the person at home, the actual end user, from having a lot of complicated problems. It's very simple, all the cables go together. Yeah. This computer deals with.
And then we can go over boat control, we can go online on the system.
Yeah.
So we can sit in the office and go directly on the customer's boat and see when there is something.
So you need a Wi-Fi connection for that?
Of course, over Wi-Fi. Here? The Wi-Fi connection is not in here, the Wi-Fi is in the boat control.
Right. Okay, cool. And so with this system, can you control all of your motors? And all of your systems and everything can roll together?
Yeah, we can also make a software update on that.
Right, okay. So can you tell me a little bit more about the motors that you're providing as well, and any other innovations that you've been on with?
Yeah, we have the Saildrive, but now we have developed our own leg.
Yeah, so last year we saw the new leg, which was a new shape. It was basically a different hydrodynamic profile, and a bit more efficient compared to the usual size that we'd normally see. So this is a little bit smaller and neater.
Yeah.
And the hub at the bottom is smaller.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now we have put the heat exchanger in the leg. We have no salt water in the boat anymore, so we have no impeller pump, no filter, no inlet. So we use the leg to cooling the system.
So literally the surface area on that leg is cooling this entire motor?
Yeah, and the controller.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Well, that's good, because we can't get it blocked.
And that we can also, exactly the same we can also do with the turnable.
Oh, the turnable Saildrive as well?
Yeah.
So they have a Saildrive which is able to spin 360 degrees. So you can put that into that as well now?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. And then we will come with a new system. We are just going in test now, where we have a half turnable. So that means we can turn 180 degrees.
Yeah.
And then we can regeneration with a follow propeller, a standard follow propeller.
Yeah. So that will give you, for regeneration with a standard propeller, basically gives you more lift from the propeller, because the foil shape of the propeller will allow you to generate more power.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, so if we want to see more, what is the website address?
Website EPTechnologies.dk.
Fantastic. And there's a newsletter at the bottom of that website as well. So if you want to sign up to that, you can hear about the development of more products like this. Casper, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Well
Thank
done.
you.